Recreating a website. This PowerPoint will be about the weaknesses of the chosen stimulus and the recommendations on how to fix the weaknesses. Furthermore, this emphasizes on preparing a podcast describing the existing problems on the stimulus, development process, and evaluation of the effectiveness of the final solution. This is my table of conduct. Weaknesses contained with the web pages are spelling, grammar, brackets, CSS, HTML, colors, pictures, videos, backgrounds, and links. Components such as the background and CSS were not available in the original file, and other components were inaccurate and misplaced. For instance, the background was not available due to not having any CSS. The links linking pages together did not work due to the corrupt spelling and placements of many HTML components to make it function. The HTML had to be changed along with the images/videos from HTML to /PGL to HTML and PNG or JPEG, depending on what type of one you're using. The color scheme towards the text and background were only white and black due to the CSS not having various colors such as pale turquoise. The images located among the websites were changed from 2018 to 2020 as the year is 2020, and the videos need to be relisted to correct file names to grant access. The images located among the websites were changed from 2018 to 2020 as the year is 2020, and the videos need to be relisted to correct file names to grant access. The spelling on the website is disrupted and inaccurate, which made the brackets, links, pictures, videos, and colors and the CSS unavailable. Challenges that occurred was identifying the spelling and grammar issues in the stimulus, as I find it hard to spell words and create proper sentence formation. One recommendation for the website is to make it more conducive to usability and accessibility would be linking the CSS to all pages contained on the website. This would bring out the color, font, size of text/videos and images and backgrounds. This relates to usability and accessibility due to making the website appealing and functional. Another recommendation towards the website would be connecting each link containing within the web pages with each other to allow accessibility for the audience. This will make the website more usable and professional. The file name will also become functional due to the correct spelling occurring. Without proper correct punctuation grammar, the videos, images, links, CSS, and the HTML will fail to connect and function, preventing usability and accessibility to the audience and the users waiting to visit the sites. Changing the names of each area would be the final recommendation for this website. By doing this, brackets will become functional, which will allow accessibility. The last recommendation is to have the pictures, text, and color match and flow with each other so it's visually appealing to look at. Overall, the chosen stimulus outlined both weaknesses and strengths, detailing accessibility, coding, and grammar. Proposing effective solutions, exchanging the final outcome of the website, gain insight on stakeholders and what recommendations were concluded. Furthermore, describing exiting problems as an effective solution of the final outcome. This is my references.
Okay, before we get into this, as you know from the video that you just finished watching, and I think there might be, a little black screen or something connecting to this. I don't know, it depends how lazy I feel, or depends whether I feel like doing it or not. Anyway, something in the fun part. So, I had a reference list. Give me a second, I'm drinking some water. So I had a reference list at the very end of the last video, right? 2 of them I agree with. The other one I added there just to satisfy my teacher, because, me is me, and me don't need reference list, because I understand code most of the time. Every now and then, there's times where I forget, but other than that, I'm usually pretty good at remembering most of it. Anyway, I made this to justify on why I didn't need the other reference in there, right? Because I had the W3 school dumb thing, because, I had to satisfy the teachers, because how else did you get your information? I had no previous knowledge. Anyway, let's get on. So the name of the website is Jack's Brain, because, it's my brain, so it's Jack's Brain. And then we have a picture of my lovely, beautiful forehead, and guess what? It says Big Brain, because what am I? Big Brain. So, me, Big Brain, me have Big Brain picture. Now let's scroll down with my new handy trick that I saw on my computer because I was being dumb and me accidentally found it out. I can grab 2 of my fingers and just swipe down, and it is no, not down, up scrolls down for some reason. I don't understand why. Okay, why I don't need references. Well, let's have a look at what I know. Notes there. You can read that yourself. I can't be bothered. I will give you 6. No, actually that's too mean. I will give you until I start talking again to read this, because I can't be bothered explaining it. You should be big brain enough to understand it if you're watching this video. I'm drinking water again. Okay, I did say that I was going to stop when I, skipped, but I couldn't be bothered. So, I think we can keep going on. I think you guys are smart enough to keep going. I hope this has in audio, otherwise the video that I'm going to show you at the very end is going to be pretty useless. But I can just recreate it for you. Because what am I? Big brain. Wrong way, Jack. Wrong way. Yeah, see, Jack is big brain, Then we have the CSS, right? Oh, look, there's the video for later. Hopefully it works. I'll give you a few seconds to read that as well. I'm gonna drink some more water and play a game in the meantime. Where's the game volume? No, actually. The fuck happened? No sweary. Bad, Jack. Yeah, I don't know where my game volume is. I was going to play a game, but, I think you've read enough. You guys are quick readers, unlike me. I'm not that quick at reading, but, she right. Okay, I gotta keep remembering that up is down. Okay, here we have lovely video. Let's enlarge in this for you. Don't mind the quality. I took it on my old phone. My old phone's pretty crappy, but... is what it is. Boom, you heard it there, folks, because I is. Take it from Future Jack, not Future Jack, Past Jack. He says he is big brain. Make him big brain. Boom. Even present Jack and Future Jack is still saying that this guy here is big brain. I'm tapping my screen if you couldn't tell. Screen if you couldn't tell. You could probably hear it, but tap and scream, but I is big brain. Okay, before you start saying, why is your background pink? because I wanted it pink. Because it adds personality, I don't know. I just made it pink. And the background's not white, it's semi-grey. Almost white, just a little bit darker white. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to add this in because I spent a while making this, like, not like making, I'm tapping the screen again, not making the entire, this thing, like, this took me, I don't know, 20 minutes, but here's me trying to figure out how I could, like, you know, big brain it, and, oh, okay, so I am big brain, but there was this one incident where I didn't want to spend money, so I'm not bothering. I wanted to make it so you could click on the link, it takes you to good boy thing, but it didn't bring you to big brain. So what I did instead is that the link previously, the very top one, because that's most of, oh, my dad's calling me, he wants me to pick him up from the pub, give me a sec. Hey, father.
You want to come grab me?
Yeah, give me a sec, let me just finish off my work. Say hi to the end of my video.
I'll wait 5 or 10 minutes, do you want?
No, I finished. Just say bye to the end of my video.
What?
Just say bye to end off my schoolwork.
Bye.
Where's F10? Wait, is it F10 yet? F10.
I'm out the post on this side.
Alright.
I will be soon anyway.
Yeah, okay.